हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 8 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 इंपॉर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स रहते हैं, जिनके आंसर्स आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेटेस्ट IATA रिपोर्ट, which milestone did India achieve in the global aviation market in 2024? And the correct answer is ranked 5th with 211 million passengers, surpassing Japan. Second question, why has IRDAI imposed a penalty of rupees 5 crore on Policy Bazaar? And the correct answer is for multiple regulatory violations and misleading promotions. So IRDAI stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Third question, what has Axis Bank recently launched to safeguard customers' fixed deposit from online fraud? And the correct answer is Lock FD. Fourth question, what has Bank of Baroda recently launched to simplify forex and derivative transactions for businesses? And the correct answer is BOFX 1. Fifth question, what has Tata AIA recently launched to offer special insurance benefit for women? And the correct answer is Shubh Shakti. Sixth question, how much stake did Ant Financial sell in Paytm for rupees 3,981 crore? And the correct answer is 5.8%. Seventh question, where did Tesla lease 33,000 square feet space to open its second showroom in India? And the correct answer is Gurgaon. Eighth question, from which book did Gitanjali Shri won the Pen Translates Award? And the correct answer is Once Elephants Lived Here. Ninth question, at which IIT has the Indian Army recently launched the Agni Shodh Research Cell to boost defense innovation? And the correct answer is IIT Madras. 10th question, which former governor associated with the abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir recently passed away? And the correct answer is Satyapal Malik. 11th question, which city was the targeted with the atomic bomb Little Boy on 6th August 1945? And the correct answer is Hiroshima. 12th question, who has given an extended additional charges as CMD of BSNL and MTNL for the second time? And the correct answer is Ravi A. Robert. 13th question, who has become the first private sector expert to head the UN Global Compact Network India, that is UNGCNI? And the correct answer is Vishali Nigam Sinha. 14th question, who is the author of the book titled The CEO Mindset? And the correct answer is Shiv Shiva Kumar. 15th question, according to Union Health Ministry, which state has recorded the highest number of organ donations in India? And the correct answer is Telangana. 16th question, recently what percentage of tariff has US President Donald Trump announced on Indian exports? And the correct answer is 25%. 17th question, recently PM Modi's Pariksha Par Charcha set Guinness World Record with how many registrations? And the correct answer is 3.53 crore. 18th question. Hiroshima Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the correct answer is 6th August. 19th question. Which country became the world's 5th largest aviation market in 2024? And the correct answer is India. 20th question. The Human Outer Planetary Exploration Research Center is located in which state or union territory? And the correct answer is Ladakh. 21st question. Which institution has launched the India Electric Mobility Index, that is IEMI? And the correct answer is Niti Aayog. 22nd question. What is the name of the Common Central Secretariat, that is CCS, to be built under the Central Vista project? And the correct answer is Kartavya Bhavan. 23rd question. Where will the country's first archery league be held? And the correct answer is Delhi. 24th question. Agni Shodh, which was recently launched by the Indian Army, is what? And the answer is a research center. And the last 25th question. When is National Handloom Day celebrated every year in India? And the correct answer is 7th August. तो ये थे 8 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू MD एंड CEO ऑफ इंडसइंड बैंक फॉर 3 years effective August 25, 2025? Second question, who has been appointed as the first Indian CEO of Jaguar Land Rover effective November 2025? Third question, which company has been awarded the rupees 792 crore contract by the Income Tax Department for the PAN 2.0 project to overall PAN services? Fourth question, which company has signed an MOU with IIT Madras incubated startup TUTR Hyperloop to develop India's first indigenous Hyperloop system? And the last fifth question, former Jharkhand Chief Minister Shibu Soren, who recently passed away, belonged to which tribe? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।